Now with this one, we are ready to write down the tangent, the sine and the cosine of 60 degrees and as well as of 30 degrees. So we should do that as quickly as possible. We have 1. We have tan 60 degrees. From what we have, it will be equal to opposite over adjacent, which is root 3 all over 1, and that is equal to root 3. Then we can also write in this place our tan of 30 degrees. So if we look at tan 30 degrees, opposite over what? Adjacent, that is 1 all over root 3, which can be written as root 3 all over 3. We will now talk about sine 60 degrees, which is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. And then we can also talk about sine 30 degrees will be equal to opposite all over hypotenuse, which is half. Then you can talk about cos 60 degrees. In this case, cos 60 degrees is adjacent over hypotenuse, and then you have cos 30 degrees is equal to adjacent all over what? Hypotenuse. You take a look at them and see the relationship between the tangent of 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Conclude that, so any triangle with angles of 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees has the ratio of sides equivalent to 1:3 and then ratio 2. These values are opposite the angles written over there. So when you have a triangle with these angles, then the ratio of their sides is in the ratio of 1:3 to root 2. 1 is opposite 30, root 3 is opposite 60, 2 is opposite 90 degrees, which is the right angle. We shall take a look at example. Let's take an example. Let's say this example 2. And it says we should find the length marked S and Y in centimeters. A, you have a diagram like this. Give it to you. And this angle here is marked 60 degrees. This is a right angle. This is Y. This is S. And this is 2. So how do I find the values of S? From what we have, 1. This is adjacent over hypotenuse. So we have 2 all over S is equal to cos 60 degrees. Adjacent over hypotenuse. And we know that cos 60 degrees is equal to root 3. You cross multiply, 2 is equal to S times root 3. Therefore, S is equal to 2 divided by root 3. And of course, we remember that we can write this answer as root 3 all over 2 root 3 all over 3. 2 root 3 all over 3. So this is equal to 2 root 3 all over 3. That gives you the value of S. The second one is to get our Y. And as you can see, Y all over 2 is equal to tan 60 degrees. And this is root 3. Therefore, Y is equal to 2 times root 3. And the value is 2 root 3. So with this, you will find the value of S and also the value of Y.